I'm Old Sneelock. We're back doing Christmas trees. Yep. Yesterday when I tested the lights, I had 2 strings that weren't working. And I said 2 out of 4, that's not a good average. So I decided I was just going to go get more. So I went last night to Myers and I picked these up. Now, these are, the brand is December Home 100 multi-mini lights, 20 feet long, lighted length, indoor, outdoor, connect up to 5 sets, green wire. Well, we wanted multicolored lights for our tree, and our tree is green, so we wanted green wire. So I got these. They were $2.99 a box, marked down from $4.99. It's coming up on Christmas, and always when you go to Christmas, when you go Christmas shopping 3 days before Christmas, trust me, I know, I've done this for a long time. There's nothing there. It's nice to be able to put up the Christmas tree early this year. Usually we put it up, we were working, I was off somewhere doing something, Lydia was working, and we'd come home and we'd try and put the tree up. Something inevitably would go wrong and I would have to go to a store midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning. They're not open at 2 o'clock in the morning anymore. Since COVID, they've found out that people will come in during the day and buy things. They don't have to be open 24/7. We gain, we lose. But I bought these. Like I said, I got 6 boxes because I thought, well, if I have any problems, I got some spares. It only takes 4 boxes to do a tree. And we put a lot of lights on it with 4 boxes. So anyways, I still want to test the light. When I opened up the first box, I realized that they came with a standard, look out, this stuff can kill you warnings. Now, I got nothing against putting a warning on there. Lawyers got to make a living too, right? But to get them off, they're plastic now. They used to be paper. Now they're plastic. So you have to have a pair of shears to cut them off. And the best way to do that, I've found, is take your shears and slip it in here, right next to where it closes up. Slip it in. They're not easy to do. Then cut it. Then you can peel the label off. And that's free. Now there's one on the other end. Repeats the same thing. I guess they figure the more tags they've got, a better chance at avoiding anything. Look. Try not to drop the lights on the floor. The more warnings they have on there, the better the chance they have of avoiding a lawsuit, because they can say, well, we told you. There. Now, yes, they light up. Both bundles all lit. So those are some tips as I go through this process of going through Christmas. There's going to be other things that I find that just seem to make sense to warn the public about. I've done these kind of things for a long time. I did Christmas bulbs when you screwed them into a cloth-covered wire loom. A bunch of sockets on a string, and they're wired in parallel, so if one bulb went out, the rest of them stayed lit. You just went over to the one that was dead, unscrewed it, put a new one in it, and away she went. So, I've got some experience. Now, I'm going to go out and put these on the tree, and you guys have a happy Christmas.